GBP against US dollar this week has felt in value. We can see that the price started with this small bearish candle on a Monday, going below 1.28821. This was a bearish breakout where the price has continued to fall in value, and we can see the price has formed another bearish breakout going below 1.27663. Then continue another bearish candle, another, and so on and so on. So the whole week was the bearish where the price has reached 1.26272. We can see that here. The weekly candle looks pretty strong, a bearish candle, which was expected based on the previous week analysis. If you have not watched, feel free to watch it. And then the price has reached formed the first bearish breakout below 1.27663, and now the second one. We can see that around 1.2627. A monthly time frame looks bearish. After the previous month has closed as a bearish candle, I was expecting that the price will go even further down. First of all, to go here to the first one, 1.28, and then continue to fall down to this one around 273. And we can see the price has gone all the way here. So that we have 2 weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open how this candle will close. For this, it is the best to see on the on the daily time frame how the price will behave in the following days and also the weeks. On the weekly time frame, the price is currently at the support level, so it is very important for the price to continue to fall down even further is to make a bearish breakout and stay below that, which means the next week the price should not return back above. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price is currently forming a bearish breakout going below 1.26272. And on a Monday, we will see will the price form another bearish candle, which will be again bearish signal for the continuing of losing its value again against the dollar. So the next target will be 1.25576. But if the price returns back up, going above, forming a bullish candle, closing here, this will be in the indecision range area where the price will need to make a clean bear breakout. Will it go further up or it will go further down? So this is something that we'll watch on the daily basis, where I will share traders with the traders information inside the Telegram group. That's all for today, and see you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.